Long day and I'm tired. Put a little bit of avocado oil. Get this skillet hot. Let me cut it up to high so I can get on with it. Get on with the show. Get on with the program. Tell you what. Working mamas unite. It is not easy, although I enjoy it. But no, it's not easy. That is for certain. Let me go back just a little bit. Find my garlic powder. There we go. I am going to use what I got, which is some leftover zucchini. Nobody eats this at my house but me. So I'm just going to put it in this avocado oil. Waste not, want not. Hope everybody's had a good day. And I've got leftover pork, some chicken, some meatloaf cups, and some chicken pie in the refrigerator. And so the days that I work, I like to just come home and veg as much as possible. So I'm going to do a side of veg so I can veg. I'm going to add some onion to this since I'm the only one eating it. Good to know because squash and zucchini season are right around the corner. Had a little leftover onion. I'm just going to slice some up and throw them in here with this zucchini. And I'm going to drop that heat down now that this black iron skillet's plenty hot. And I think I'm going to have a couple pieces of chicken tenderloins that need to be eaten. And I try to push, like, you know, what needs to be eaten the quickest to the front of the refrigerator so I don't forget that it's there. Because, you know, sometimes it's disguised in Cool Whip containers or whatever container I can get my hands on. I'll let that cook just a minute. Toss this. I'm going to put a little bit of seasoning on this. Little garlic powder. You can use any seasoning you like on veggies. I'm going to put a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. I can add more if it needs it later. A little bit of pepper. A little bit more pepper. Alright, as that starts to cook up, I'm going to add just a little bit of butter. Oh, I need to get some butter out of the refrigerator. Just for a little buttery taste in there. Give it some flavor. And to this, let me turn that baby back up just a little bit. Spread these out so they'll get good and done. forget anything. And I like mine not so done that it's soggy. That's totally up to you, but I like a little bit of integrity when I'm chewing the food. I think it's my oral fixation or something from being a hygienist. I just like it to squeak against my teeth. I know that sounds crazy, but that's the truth. So I don't want to cook this to death. Okay, I'm going to drizzle just a little bit of balsamic vinegar. Just a little bit. That smells good. Yum. All right, I'm going to spread those out. I'm going to put a little bit of breadcrumbs. Not a lot. Just enough for a little crunch. So you kind of get that effect of fried zucchini, but not fried zucchini. A little healthier turn on it instead of fried. And then to the top, you give that a toss. And you squash any kind of vegetable that you would stir fry, whatever it is that your family likes. And this will be plenty for me for 2 meals. And finally, I'm going to put some Parmesan cheese. That's what I'm talking about. Get a little bit right there. Okay. And that is going to be my side tonight with some chicken. Some grilled chicken. Clean up just a tiny bit, and I'm going to turn that off, and it's going to be ready to eat. Last little drizzle of this balsamic vinegar, and we'll be good to go. Give it a try, y'all. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Thanks for watching. See y'all.